Hello students, today we are going to see about our section 4.1 History of Novel. So this section gives us 16 marks in our board exam. So we must know about the history of novel also here. In board exam there were asked so many type of questions. For example, history of novel or the any match the pairs. There were 2 marks for this question. Or maybe there were any elements of the novel or type of novel, various type of questions on this topic or the history of novel there were asked. So let's see here history of novel. First of all, the literature. Literature, what is meant by literature? Literature is reflection of life. Someone defines it is the reflection of life, or someone defines it is the mirror of life of human being, or someone defines about it is the criticism of life. There is various type of definitions we can find about literature. So branches of literature you can see here. Poetry is the branch of literature, then drama, novel and short story also. Poetry also there are 2 type, imaginative and realistic, drama also comedy and tragedy, novel various type of novels, realistic novel, historical novel, autobiographical novel, psychological novel, with so many type of novels we can find here. Then short stories are also, it is the branch of literature. So now we are going to see about the novel. We are going to see about the novel. The 18th century has given English literature the 2 new forms. Which are that 2 new forms? The first is the periodical essay, then second is novel. First is periodical essay and second is novel here. That the both type of forms means without any trace and ancient classical heritage we can find there. So one of those was the periodical and the other is novel, but both type of forms there is the spirit of the 18th century we can find in especially novel there. So the now in this novel, that is the age of intellectual, sentimental and realistic plane, and try to instruct the readers here. So in this novel it is the age of, we can find in 18th century there were the age of the intellectual, sentimental and realistic one also there. So in 18th century we can find there were the fusion of emotion and intellect there. The fusion of emotion and intellect there, and also there is given the instruction to the readers and which will help them to more purposeful and virtuous life. Purposeful and virtuous life, how to live there. So in novel also, since the time of origin, novel has been gaining popularity and growing gradually there. So today if we see here, it is recognized as the most dominant literary style. We can see here the novel here. So what is the definition of novel? You can see here. Novel, it is a realistic long narrative fiction. Realistic long narrative fiction, and which describes intimate human experiences, normally in a prose form. Normally in a prose form. So what is meant by the novel here? It is long narrative fiction. Long narrative fiction. and it describes the intimate human experiences in this novel. Look at this. When we read the novel, that time we find there were the human experiences are given in this novel here. Actually, and normally in prose form we can find here, there are given so many short chapters there, short stories in that the novel here. So that novel is derived from the Italian word novella, meaning new. And now in this nowadays we also know about the new or novel corona also here. Corona, that time also corona, but now here we listen the word again and again, novel corona, novel corona. So novel means new. So Italian word, the novel means the new here. So a novel narrates a story, embellishing it with more details of time, place also there, nature also there, atmosphere, then mind setting of that time of people also there we can find, and people also, then gesture and their activities we can find in novel, and all that things they decorate the novel. Means author or narrator, he think all that things because that things decorate, embellishing the novel here. So that's why we are going to see the one by one here. First of all, the time, detail of the times, which or what the time when there will incident any happen here, or second place also there. What is the place of that time? The author or the narrator explain in his novel. Secondly, mindset of that time of people here. For example, in Tanaji film here. So if you remember that the main character, main hero of that movie, the Tanaji, he totally pay attention at the Kondana fort there. He can't listen anything. Only and only his mindset on that fort. So that is the mindset of people in that time. Secondly, climates, nature of that time also, and we can find the gestures and activities of people in that time we can find here. For example, in Zombie novel there, Anand Yadav, he also explained various type of situation in that time in his novel. A rural area, for example, a rural area in that time, how the people face various problems. First of all, the economical problem people face, and he want to explain through his novel there. So as like this novel or the literature, it is the mirror of life or the reflection of life of human being here. Okay, then we are going to see here, that is the novel as a literary genre, and it has the history of about 2000 years. That novel has the history of about 2000 years, and among the early novel, a collection of tales known as a Greek romance is there. And in 2nd and 6th century, many top list these imaginative and delightful novels we can find there. Means that time in 2nd and 6th century, the people, they prefer there the imaginative story, romantic story there, as well as marvelous and ideal love there, as well as the marvelous and adventurous profoundly we can find there, because the people and in that time in 2nd and 6th century, they like that type of literature there. So the author or narrator, they narrate as like this, means imaginative and also they are the delightful stories or ideal love and marvelous adventures also there. So now you can see here the Murasaki Shikibu's Tale of Genji. It is the world's first novel. It is the world's first novel and it was published in 1010 here. Then second novel, which is the European's first novel, that is the Don Quixote by Spanish writer Miguel de Cervantes, and which was the first European novel. So secondly, I would like to explain the 18th century. There were the appearance of the newspaper and magazine, article, and in large number of people there. And of readers from the middle class. These new readers had little interest in romances there or imaginative there, because in 18th century there were industrial revolution, and due to that industrialization, in this industrial revolution, the maximum people there were in middle class society, and that people, they don't like the imaginative writing also, they don't like the romantic writing also, their romance also there. So they prefer realistic things. They like whatever be their realistic things there. And the only interest is the little interest and romance and tragedies, that things appreciated by the upper class society. But middle class people, they are not preferred. They are not preferred these things. And they only like the realistic writing there, realistic novels there. So we can find here that would express the century new literature was characterized by the spirit of realism and denial of romantic features like enthusiasm, passion, and imagination. So that's why from that the 18th century we can find here there were the origin of new type of literature. The new spirit of 18th century we can find in novel, and there were the fusion of emotion and intellect also here. So okay, thank you. In next video we will see the element of novel and type of novel. Thank you very much.